Hey everybody, it's Grady here at Uncle Sweetie's Model Works. It has been a while, hasn't it? I've, yeah, I got nothing. It's been a while. So today I've got the rare stash ad for me. I was out at a doctor's appointment. I was driving by a local collectible shop who deals in quite a few model kits, actually. And I didn't have the money. I couldn't afford it, but I stopped in anyway, and there were a couple of things that I had to have. So, all right, one of them is the Revel Dodge Ram VTS. I've always loved this truck. I love the blue and white Viper. Yeah, I just love it, and I've wanted it for a long time. It's kind of hard to put my hands on here and there price wise, and I know they re-released it or whatever with monogram and ollies. I do not like the box art on the monogram one. I like this box art. You know, that picture right there, looking at the end of the kit wall. So pick this up. This one is sealed on the outside. I'm really happy to have this one. And I got another or AMT, the GT90. This may be seem like an odd kit for some of you. It's low parts count. It's almost a quick builder. I think it's a cool looking car, and that's all there is to it. Been wanting to get this one for a long time too. Just haven't ever pulled the trigger on it. This one is open, but I went through the parts. I think they're all there. Yeah, I'm gonna have fun building this one. And one that I hadn't seen before, at least not in this box art, is a 70 Boss 302. Um, yeah, I really like this. I did some looking, and think, uh, I think Joel at Iceman has a wide body kit for this particular Mustang, the and this particular kit, which I may try to put my hands on. Um, I may look at this one for the Mustang group build. The other thing behind this one, I believe this is definitely a fastback. Many years ago, I had a 70 Mustang Coupe and had a lot of fun with that thing. It was just the straight six, and but I did have some big meats on the back with Krager rockets all around, and even with that slant six, it was still a lot of fun in that little bitty light car. But yeah, going back. But anyway, I'm gonna try to get back into the swing of things. Still got to catch up and finish on that under 1,000 subscriber group build, and yeah, I just got a lot going on in my head lately. So yeah, that's that. Maybe gonna get into that group build, and already have to get into a couple others. I don't know. That's really all I got. I wasn't kind of not prepared to do a video today, but I wanted to get one out and just push myself to get back into the rhythm of things. So thank you guys for supporting the channel. Um, it's even without me posting for a while, it's heading for 400 subscribers. So if you haven't hit that subscribe button on my channel yet, I think I've only got like, I don't know, 14 more to go to get to 400. Probably might do a kit giveaway. So yeah, hit that subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, give me the finger. Whichever you feel, whichever you feel appropriate. Leave a comment and just tell me how things are. I'll see you guys soon. Thanks. Bye.